Welcome to GINESYS release update for version 11.46.0 for HO and 1.46.0 for POS, released on June 18, 2015. Today we are going to discuss about the enhancements released in this update. First enhancement in this release update is POS user's password can now be modified at store level even for centrally managed stores. Previously, for centrally managed stores, user's password could only be defined from HO, and when any modification was required, user had to contact HO for that. In order to avoid the complexity, GINESYS is now providing an option of password modification from POS itself. Let's see how we can modify the password in our software. If a user wants to change his password, he needs to click on the side panel and then click on Change Password. User can change the password by entering old password and then entering the new desired password and then click on Save. Password have been changed successfully. Please note, once the password is modified at any store, the modified password will be updated at HO and synchronized across all the stores automatically. Second enhancement in this release update is goods receive or goods return transaction of POS can now be reverted back to POS from HO. Previously, there was no option to modify GRC or GRT once posted. GINESYS has now come up with the revert option at HO. With the help of revert option, posted GRC or GRT will again be converted to unposted state at store. Please note, GRC or GRT of those days can only be reverted which have not been settled yet. Also, only those users can revert who has delete privilege of the respective module. Let's check the same in our software. We are in POS, transaction, good receive. Let's post a GRC. GRC has been posted successfully. The information will be sent to store in the next sync. GRC information will be available at HO after synchronization. Let's try to revert the GRC. Transaction, goods received at site. We need to select the GRC and then click on revert button. User is not authorized to revert this document. User was unable to revert this GRC since he don't have delete privilege in this module. Let's provide privilege to the user. We can provide the privilege through admin module, security settings, role privileges. We need to select the respective module and then provide privilege. And save the same. Let's try to revert the GRC now. Transaction, goods received at site. We'll select the GRC and then click on revert. Document will open again at store and stock postings done will also get reverted. Do you want to continue? We need to select yes. GRC has been reverted back to store. Store will receive the information after sync. Let's check the reverted GRC. Transaction, goods received. GRC has been converted to open state once again. Let's post a GRT now. Transaction, goods return. GRT has been posted successfully. Now let's settle the date on which GRT was created. GRT and settlement information will be sent to HO in its next sync. Let's revert a GRT now. Transaction, goods returned from site. We need to select the GRT and then click on revert button. Settlement is already done at store for the document state. Document cannot be reverted. We were unable to revert this GRT since day has already been settled for the day on which GRT was created. Please note, in case settlement information has not yet been synced to HO and a GRC or GRT document has been reverted back to POS, the same will have no impact at POS and the document information will again be synced to HO. Third enhancement in this release update is additional documents introduced in document search option of select item and barcode printing at POS. Previously, with the help of document search option, operator could search and populate items only from GRC and GRT documents. This has been enhanced and items can now be searched from other documents as well. Let's check what are the documents from which items can now be searched in our software. Items can now be searched from purchase, purchase return, conversion in, conversion out, miscellaneous in, miscellaneous out documents as well. Let's check the same in our software. Items can be searched from the documents using the select item option which is provided in POS. Let's check the select item option provided in packet module. In the advanced search block, document tab, we can select the documents with the help of the drop-down. Documents which have been added are purchase, purchase return, conversion in, conversion out, miscellaneous in, miscellaneous out. We can select any of these document type and then search the document number. After the documents have been searched, we need to select the document and then click on OK. Items will be reflected once we click on search option. Items have been searched from purchase document. The same document types have also been added in barcode printing module. Let's check the same as well. Store control, barcode printing. By clicking on the drop down, we can select the desired document. Fourth enhancement in this release update is customer contact number will now be reflected in debit note and credit note analytic reports. Previously, customer's contact number was not displayed in analysis report of debit note and credit note. The same will now be displayed. Let's check the same in our software. We are in retail management. Let's see how can we view customer contact number in debit note analysis report. In order to view customer contact number in the report, we need to click on configure, then add source field, select mobile number and then click on OK. Mobile number has been added in the source field. Let's select the mobile number field. Let's select mobile number. Mobile number is being reflected for the respective customer. Let's check the same in credit note analysis report. The mobile number is being displayed for the respective customers. Fifth enhancement in this release update is layout name will now be displayed as analytic reports heading. Previously, report type was displayed as reports heading. As there can be multiple reports with different layouts and the same report type was misleading the operators. Now, layout name will be reflected as analytic reports heading for better clarity. Let's check the same in our software. We are in retail management. Under the report type sales summary, we have two layouts. One is sales summary and the other one is sales summary analytics. Let's view sales summary report. The report name is being reflected as sales summary. Let's view sales summary analytics report. The report name is Sales Summary Analytics. Operator will now be able to differentiate between different layouts under same report type. Sixth enhancement released in this update is additional item information will now be available in barcode printing parameters at POS. Item information like item description and also the numeric details will now be available for printing in barcode printing parameters. Seventh enhancement released in this update is Order Journal Report can now be viewed with items RSP. Previously, Journal Report was available only with items MRP. This has been enhanced. Now, along with MRP, the report can also be viewed and respective information can be derived with items RSP. These were the enhancements released for the version 11.46.0 for HO and 1.46.0 for POS. Thank you.